Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow tropical plants. Now, a tropical plant, by definition, is any plant that comes from the tropics. And the tropics are generally any area near the equator where they don't have seasons. They don't have winters, and they don't have a change in the season. It's just hot all the time. So tropical plants cannot handle any type of freezes. So it's really easy to grow them as houseplants if you live in a colder climate, or you can grow them outside if you live in a warmer climate year-round. And so there's just a few rules. You never want to take a tropical plant that's been inside the house and put it out in the hot sun outside. It'll get shocked and sunburned. So you want to gradually put it into the shade, then a little more sun, and then you put it out into the full hot sun if you put it outside. Or you just treat it as a house plant. And with tropical plants, you never want them to sit in water because they'll rot. They need to dry out in between watering them. So water them well, but always make sure you put them on a plate or somewhere where they're not sitting in water, because that's the #1 way that you kill them. And make sure they do get enough light if they're in the house, because they need either artificial light or even a sunny window, but not too hot of the sunny window, because if it's just beating hot sun, it'll actually sunburn them inside of the house through the window as well. So make sure and never let them freeze, because that will kill them right away, because they're from a climate where it never freezes. As long as you keep them above 60 degrees, generally they'll be the healthiest. And it's easy to, a lot of tropical plants, the bottom leaves will die as the larger leaves grow. So periodically just cut out any of the dead leaves, and then you'll find lush new leaves will keep growing. So if they're green, leave them be. If they're brown, cut the dead plants or cut the dead leaves out. And tropical plants are very easy to grow as house plants or outdoor plants, as long as you give them the same conditions that they're used to in nature, which is a tropical condition.